Hey, welcome to my sewing area. Do you see something new? Well, you know it's that time of the month. Sew sampler time, October 2023. I hope you join me. Welcome back, you guys. I'm Scott, and this is my YouTube channel, The Quilting Camper. I'm so happy that you were able to join me for this unboxing of my absolute most favorite subscription, and that is the Fat Quarter Shop Sew Sampler Box. This one is by far the best one of the whole year, and you'll find out in just a moment. I decided to shoot my video in a different area of my house. I have recently decided to rearrange my sewing studio, make it a little bit bigger, so I can make a new home for the new Bernina. I'm calling him Bernie because, you know, Tula was Tula. I can never replace Tula, but we've got Bernie over here. Bernie is my new Bernina 790 Pro, and I am so excited about working with this machine. I can't tell you the cool features in it all in this one video, and that's because we're not talking about Bernie today. We are talking about Fat Quarter Shop Sew Sampler Box. But stay tuned for my unboxing video of the Bernina 790 Pro. It's really exciting. I'm thrilled to death about this. It was a great opportunity to trade up Tula and get a new machine, and even though I loved Tula Pink, I've had that machine for 4.5 years. It was time to get something new and updated. So anyway, that's why we're filming here. I think it's more fun. I'm wearing my little brown hoodie. Let's get started with this unboxing, shall we? Let's see what this theme is this month. All you need is love. Is that not the truth? The Quilting Camper approves that message. All you need is love, because that's all that really matters. And that's what we do here, right? We share kindness. And look at how this little guy wants to poke out of here. As you know, with every Fat Quarter Shop box, you get a wonderful leaflet that has all the descriptions and the write-ups of what comes in this box. I'm going to tell you right now, this box is fabulous. So with every box, you do get a special discount as long as you're a subscriber, and it's 15% off at Fat Quarter Shop for gifts and accessories. They do have some really cool gifts and accessories, and I will tell you one of those is sitting right over here. So during the pandemic, I wanted to treat myself to something special, something unique to kind of bring more joy to my sewing area. And that was this really cool clock from Moda Fabrics. Isn't this cool? So this would be a special gift and accessory that you could get a discount if you subscribe to the Fat Quarter Shop Sew Sampler Box. This is my absolute favorite wall clock, and I love Moda Fabrics. You guys know that. So I just think it's fun. So there's a lot of cool things at Fat Quarter Shop's website in the form of gifts and accessories. Lots of bling, as we like to call it. All right, once again, this is not a sponsored video. You've heard me say that again. I pay for all my boxes, and Fat Quarter Shop, thank you so much for making this such a valuable subscription in my life. I can't thank you more to bringing more inspiration into my daily sewing life. I really appreciate it. And you guys, if you want to get a box yourself, just go to fatquartershop.com, look for subscriptions, find the Sew Sampler box, subscribe for 99 cents, and then they will tell you when there's a next available slot to get you in to start subscribing. The box comes to $29.99 plus tax and shipping. Here in Wisconsin, this is about $36 for my box, which I really like. It's a great value because this month's box is almost worth $80. Can you believe it? I can't. It's unbelievable. Okay, let's start unboxing. We're gonna go right to the fabric. We don't just get one charm pack or two, 3 full-size charm packs in this box. And this is the Light-Hearted Charm Pack. Sweet sentiments radiate from the Light-Hearted collection by Camille Ross Kelly for Moda Fabrics. Fanciful florals, hearts, bows, and stripes are filled with frothy colors of pink, blue, green, and red. You will fall head over heels for this fabric and will have 3 charm packs to enjoy. There is plenty to cherish. This retails for $35.94. This is the price of the whole box and a couple dollars more. And the next item in this box is one of my favorites as well, and it's by June Taylor. It's a Quilt As You Go pattern. You know how much I love June Taylor patterns. This is really cool. The Love Charm tote will make a sweet style statement everywhere you go. This easy project is an ode to our favorite hobby, and you can use the included charm packs to create it, though it will look beautiful no matter what fabric you choose. The value of this is $9.98. Another great value for this box. And I was looking at it, this is a pretty straightforward design. And you know, we probably have a couple charm packs laying around. I do believe this particular pattern takes one charm pack and a couple accent fabric and some lining. Pretty simple. I love that they put these in here. As I told you guys before, June Taylor's in Richfield, Wisconsin, about 25 miles from here, not very far away. It's lovely to see something from our state in this box. Thank you, Fat Quarter Shop. So the next item in this box looks like a ruler. I've never seen one like this. This handy little notion will be steadfast companion to your sewing machine. Use it to quickly adjust seam widths by finding the side with the seam width you need, aligning the edge along your fabric edge, and moving the needle position to the needle hole. It will be love at first stitch. That's so cute. Valued at $7.48. So it's a seam allowance guide, and it just allows you to find it by positioning wherever your needle goes. I thought there were little holes. Yep, there's little holes. There's little holes where the center of your needle would go. I think it's kind of cool because it kind of keeps you on point to make sure that your stitches are right. And it's not just for quilting, it's for crafting and for regular sewing. We've got 5/8 of an inch seam allowance here, 1/4 inch for quilting. We got 3/8, and we also have 1/2 for crafts like tote bags and things like that. So what a great tool. I'll definitely put this in my notions drawer. You never know when you're going to need it. So along with the Camille Ross Kelly fabric, we have a matching little charm. Aren't these cute? This is the exclusive lighthearted enamel charm. This sweet little charm is sure to brighten your day. The rainbow and heart design is created by Camille Raskelli, exclusive for Fat Quarter Shop. Add it to any zipper or keychain for a dose of love anywhere you need it. So cute. These kinds of charms are great because, you know, I do like making little zipper pouches. I would show you one, but I give them all away. You can also use it as a keychain, although I wouldn't probably use it as a keychain. This little charm area is too delicate. It might break off. It might actually look really cool like on the front of a purse. It's got a little lobster clasp that you could put and hook on like a D-ring on the front of a bag. That's kind of a cute idea too, hey? And this retails for $8.74. Another awesome addition to this box. All right, well, you know what we're gonna talk about next. Here at the Quilting Camper, this has always been a fun one for me to read. It is the Quilt Block of the Month by Bunny Hill. There we go. You know, I love you guys at Bunny Hill. I do, and these are beautiful Block of the Month patterns. Block number 7. The Pressed Flowers Quilt-Along is in full bloom. This garden-themed quilt by Fat Quarter Shop features a sugarberry by Bunny Hill design for Moda Fabrics, and it will bring some fresh-cut flair that you can keep forever. And this is worth $4.98, and I believe it's a zinnia, right? Yep, it's zinnia. Really cute pattern. Okay, you guys, what's really cool about this is that in each box you get a quilt of the month, plus you get a quilt pattern, and this month we actually have an additional pattern for this cool bag by June Taylor. What's cool about this is that each month you can actually create a block. At the end of 12 months, you can put your 12 blocks together and have a whole quilt. At the 12th month, which will be March of 2024, Fat Quarter Shop will have limited kits available for backing, binding, background fabric. And they'll also include the pattern in that box, because April of 2024 they start this all over again with a new designer and a new block of the month. It's such a cool value to this box. The next item in this box is the actual pattern for the fabric included. And I thought it would be good to show you the fabric right off the bat just because we all want to see it. And these patterns kind of give it away. So I thought it would be fun to know what you're working with first. We fell in love with this quilt, heart and soul design by Lisa Alexander. We are enamored with how impactful the sweetheart design is. Pair this charm pack friendly design with light-hearted charm packs in this month's box for a hearty combination. Limited finishing kits available at Fat Quarter Shop. It's one thing to take note of this gorgeous pattern of how simple it is. It uses the full charm to make a 50-inch by 50-inch quilt. Really cool. It's like a pixel quilt. You will need to use all 3 charm packs in this box to complete the quilt, and the only extra thing you'll have to purchase is binding and backing. That's it. I have read that you will be left over with a couple various charms. Maybe you can use that for the bag and then find some scrap fabric to complete it. Not really sure. My best advice is if you love the fabric and you love this quilt, use the charm packs that came with it and find another charm pack in your house for the bag. I know I can do that. We all have charm packs laying around, so there you go. This pattern is worth $9.98. Okay, you guys, so what do you think? Was this a hit? And I'm not going to make a parody about All You Need Is Love because that's really all you need. I mean, this was an amazing box, wasn't it? And it came to $77.10. It is almost $80. We had a box this year that was $80, and that totally freaked me out. It totally blew me away. You know, Fat Quarter Shop had to raise the price of this box, I think 2 years ago, by $5. And you know what really is amazing? They have increased the value of every box ever since then. And I just have to say, from the bottom of my heart, once again, this isn't sponsored. I love you guys at Fat Quarter Shop. Keep doing what you do. You do make a difference in all of our lives with the content you create on YouTube and the amazing way that you run your business. I mean, I cannot imagine a better place to do online shopping for quilts and notions and subscriptions like this. You guys are the absolute best and I love you. I hope someday I get to meet one of you at the Fat Quarter Shop because I just love everything that you do. I certainly hope you enjoyed this month's unboxing of the 2023 So Sampler box by Fat Quarter Shop. I am so excited to use some of the things, if not everything, in this box very soon. Before I conclude this presentation today, I just want to share one more thing. I've been making video content here on YouTube for about 4.5 years. I started with Stamping Scott and now I've evolved to the Quilting Camper. I just want to tell you guys, it means the world to me that you take the time to watch my videos. Even if you only watch half the video, I'm still grateful that you decide to spend time with me in some way or form. When I started this YouTube channel 4.5 years ago, I had no idea that I would get to 149 subscribers. I thought I would get to maybe like 10 if I had that many. But 149 subscribers in the last 4 years. Now that doesn't sound like a lot, but to me it's like, I do this because I enjoy sharing content. And to think there are 149 people out in the world that I either know really well or have never met before that have decided to come along my journey as the Quilting Camper. That means so much. I would really, really like to continue to grow this channel. You all know that if we get to 500 subscribers, I can actually start doing drawings and contests for my viewers. And that would be amazing. Please help me share my videos. Use Facebook, Instagram, other social media platforms, even a text message. Share people my videos so they know that I'm here to inspire and I want to build this community of sharing kindness. Even if it's through quilting and camping and some of the things I enjoy doing, when we share those things that we love, we end up sharing more love. And what better theme for Fat Quarter Shop? All you need is love. Believe me, love happens when you share, and I cannot imagine life being any other way. So, remember to check out my blog, thequiltingcamper.com, if you want to see what's going on in my life. I haven't been updating it lately. I'm so sorry, you guys, but I will be. I'm going to spend some time and put a couple entries. I still have the September Great Wisconsin Quilt Show to talk about and all what came about at that place. That's one of my most favorite quilt shows. Also, watch my new video that I just posted about saying goodbye to Tula Pink Bernina. It was a very difficult video for me to shoot because I really love that machine. It inspired me to quilt. It inspired me to create the Quilting Camper. And it's weird that a sewing machine could bring that much inspiration. So I have to say it was my appreciation and gratitude toward a machine and toward a designer and toward a company like Bernina that just makes a high quality product that makes a difference. So thanks everybody, and there will be bloopers, so please stay tuned. Have a wonderful night, and we'll see you real soon. Bye for now. Sweet sentiments radiate from the Light-Headed collection by Camille. Oh my goodness. Light-headed? Light-hearted? I might be light-headed. It's light-hearted. Oh, there's a blooper right off the bat. Through it will look beautiful. Though it will look beautiful through it. I need to get my eyes checked. So you know how much I love June Taylor products. This Quilt As You Go program? It's not a program, it's a pattern. Enjoyed this month's unboxing of the Fat Quarter Shop Sew Sampler October 23. Once again, thank you for watching. Check out some of my other YouTube videos on my channel, The Quilting Camper. See you really soon.